Yo, what is good, YouTube? This is a cool start to the video. I lost my bike into the ocean. It's gone now. It's gone forever. There's no getting it back. But I'm joking. I didn't actually lose my bike in the ocean. If that's what you actually thought, that was just a joke. It was me being a haha funny. Oh my god, that guy's gonna get like lost with his kid. There was like a massive wave that came over before. It just went like I had to be in at least like 12, 15 foot in the air, like when I hit the shore or the rocks. But yeah. Oh my gosh, huge waves. Wow. Oh, this one might get interesting when it hits the rock. Maybe. Oh, look at that. That's sick. Whoa. That's sick. Anyway, back to the premise of the video. I had this car rock up behind me, so I was like, oh, cool, I can't do my video. But anyway, so yeah, I got the frame sliders installed. So as you can see, we have the Womet.Tech frame sliders installed, and they are solidly in there, which is nice. So you got the engine slider, the frame slider. I already put the like the rear axle and the front axle mounts on. I mean, that one's more of like a paddock stand holder, but it also acts as a frame slider. I'm not sure if the front axle slider fits the rear axle or not, because otherwise I'll get another one for that, but I'm not sure at the moment. But they don't have anything for the other side, so it's just like another frame slider. Like, they don't have like an engine mount one on this side. But yeah. Oh, and also the bar ends as well, because I got rid of the bar end mirrors, swapped them out for these ones, and now have these ones. So yeah, he's cool. Very nice, very nice. And we sewed the exhaust on. Do not forget about the exhaust. It's very loud still. Also, I do want to get rid of those reflectors down there. I don't know if you can see them or not. But yeah, I don't know how much of a hassle they're going to be, because I don't know if they're connected to the... Yeah, because they're connected to the Brembo brakes, so I don't really want to mess with that. I might have to ask somebody to take them off for me, if it affects the brakes, because I'm not sure. But anywho, anyway, yeah. So yeah, the clutch lever was a bit loose, so when I got the frame sliders installed, I asked them if they could like check out the play in the clutch, which they were obviously nice enough to do, so that was cool. Also, it was about to rain. It already is raining. I've got some sprinkles on my visor, so that's fun. It was nice and blue like that when I left, and now it's getting into like this. So this is either going to be a really quick video if it starts raining, because I don't think my camera's waterproof at the moment because of the mic attachment that's on it. So it's picking up like bike audio as well as everything else, so it doesn't have the closed off microphone. But yeah. Anyway, I figured out, like, because I had a few comments about the exhaust on previous videos. So if anyone from those videos watches this one, I figured out that if you really wanted to pop and bang, because I was saying that it pops and bangs like crazy now. Is this guy gonna go? I figured out that if you're at like if you're at what, like 6k, 8k RPM, and then decel, it just goes bop, 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 bop. It's cool. But now it's raining. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We got to go. We got to go. Go, 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 go. Oh no, it's about to start coming down. It's about to start coming down. and there's nowhere I can go. So I apologize in advance if the lens gets water on it, because it's out of my control. I can't help it. So do you want to go? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Oh my god, that was so hard balancing with one leg. See how nice of a biker I am? See? I don't know if that picked up any of that audio, but yeah, this thing can pop and bang like crazy. Oh, it's so wet. Oh, I just washed my bike the other day too before I took it in to get the frame sliders put on. So yeah, that's great. Oh my gosh, why is it so busy? Well, at least I got a tree. No, not anymore. I lost the tree, damn it. Oh, what the heck is this guy doing? Man. Which way do I want to go? Oh my gosh, dude. Make up your mind, damn it. Make up your mind, damn it. I don't even know how good the mic audio is. Because I've only got one microphone in today. Oh my gosh, bro. This guy is all over the road. What is this guy doing? Man. Ay, it's getting wet. It's getting so wet. Oh no. Why? Why? But look, and then there's blue skies there, and then where I am, it's just black skies. Excellent. I love that. I love that for me. Why not? That's great. It's raining. My phone's getting wet. I don't even know if it's waterproof. It should be, but it's probably not good that it's getting wet. It's cold. I'm cold now. Oh, it's actually really cold now. And I need to get fuel. Oh, wait. I think I accidentally nudged. Oops, what am I doing? This one. So what am I doing? It's cold. Yeah, anyway, the whole premise of this video was the frame sliders, and since we covered that already, I'm kind of just rambling. But it's cool, it's a ride, I love it. It's been really bad weather recently, so any time to get out is a great time to get out. Yeah, it's been really bad weather, and it took me 8 weeks to get this booked in, to get this done, so I'm kind of happy. Finally, but it wasn't actually that expensive. I just had to pay for an hour of labor. So, because I obviously had the parts, so I didn't have to buy the parts all over again. So, but yeah, so engine slider, frame sliders, bar end sliders, rear axle sliders, and you can't see the front wheels. Those front axle sliders. So yeah, shout out to Womet.Tech, because they are wicked, and they are so cool, and they're so nice. I love them. And also, like, I did actually accidentally scratch them on something, and they just can, like, wipe off, so it's cool. Like, I can just, like, wipe off the scratch that I scratched on it, you know? The thing that I did with the scratchy scratch, I could get off, so it was cool. And then, like, these ones are good for, like, feet. So you can, like, put your feet on them, and now I feel like I'm riding a Harley. That is not their intended use, but I love it. Just, like, chuck your feet up on them, and then it's like you're riding like a go-kart. Or like a little tricycle, like your like jigsaw. I I love it. It's fun. I mean, I don't really want to put my foot on that one because that's like on the engine. Don't really want that one. But yeah, I don't even know if I should be putting my feet on those, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Oh, he's turning this one. Uh-oh. Hey, buddy. Bye, buddy. Okay, do I need to get fuel now, or should I get it later? Should I get it now, or should I get it later? Should I get it now, or should I get it later? I don't know. I'll get it now. Stop it. We'll get it now. The front wheel comes up way too easily when it's on like a light tank. Ah. Also, the roads are terrible at the moment. Anyway, so I think this video should end here, because I don't have anything else to talk about. And I just talk a lot, so... go, 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 go. Bam. But yeah, pretty much, frame sliders are not necessary, but they kind of are. They're expensive, but they're like kind of cool. But I recommend if you can get them, get them. This is the first bike I've actually had frame sliders put onto. But yeah, I mean, I could do another video like when I put more mods on it, but I don't know what else to get. But yeah, peace out, guys.